Hello, how are you today? Today, I'm going to talk about the masterminding around the business. Business can be your personal goals or professional goals. Everybody goals are different. And I am working as my purpose. Maybe you are looking for your purpose also. Purpose means something you love, something inspires you, something makes you happy, something you meant to do in the universe world. So I have found my purpose, and this is what I'm doing every single day. So today I'm going to talk about the Wallace D. Wallet. He talks about science of getting rich. The substance. How are you using your substance? Substance is in the universe world. We are part of with and with it. And substance is you cannot see it. And so whatever you're trying to build around your business, your personal goals, your professional goals, how are you using your substance? Substance is a metaphysical side of it, just like breathing. We are breathing, but we cannot see it, but we are still breathing. And it's a you can think about it's a science or whatever. The substance is a manifesting all the time. That substance, we are using it all the time, but how we are using it and how whatever the results you're getting, from results you can tell how are you using your substance, your thoughts, your feelings, emotions, how you are using your substance. Substance is, you can call whatever you want to call, an infinite potential substance. And that substance is we are using all the time. He talks about in the science of getting rich, like gratitude. Are you appreciating what you have? Are you appreciating whatever we are part of in the universe world? And we have given everything, the substance, the universe world, and we have provided already everything. But if we are not happy with it, if we are not seeing the result, it's to do with how we are using this substance. So to change that, and we have to change how we're going to use this substance, how we're going to use our thoughts, how we're going to use our feelings, and according to that we're going to see the result. According to that, we're going to see how we are using this substance means it's a science behind it, and we are manifesting all the time and day and night, because our thoughts, and I'm not just talking about intellect thought of what's happening inside, what are we thinking, how we are feeling as emotionally. That's what we are vibrating, that's what we are attracting. And to change that, we have to change our emotions, we have to change our thoughts, we have to change the way we are using this substance. Substance is everything. We cannot see it, but we are creating it all the time. And how you're going to create it around your business? What are you trying to create around your business? Maybe you're trying to build the business, maybe more time, more freedom. Freedom means maybe you want to have more. More means you want to have more for yourself and you want to help others. And everybody's more is different. And whatever is more for you, you want more money, and of course maybe you want to build your business, and then you want to help others. And this is what is our purpose is all about, to of course help yourself first, and then you start helping others. And so excuse me. Yeah, if you read that Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wallet, and this is what he talks about, substance is everything, and substance is the in the universe world is all within us. We are part of that substance, and substance you can call whatever you want to call, and because we cannot see it, we have to say something. Substance or power or infinite potential, whatever you want to call, is a one thing, or energy or power. And this is working all the time, day and night. And how you are using this substance, and that's what the result we are getting. So if you don't like your result, you're not happy with your result around whatever, uh, it can be around, I don't know, everybody's goals are different. Everybody wants is not going to be the same. And whatever you want, and if you're not happy with your results, you have to change your thoughts and feelings and emotions, and use the substance for yourself, for as something is already there, and you are using it for your own good, and whatever is your own good, your business or personal goals or professional goals, and start to see yourself, you already achieved it, you, because substance is just here. How we gonna think and feel, and that's what's we gonna manifest. And it's not in the future, it's not the past. So whatever is happened in the past is we have to learn from it and move forward it. And most of the time what happens, something we are not happy with it, we try to fight with it, we try to resist with it, and and that way we are just staying where we are, or we going backward, I mean, making things worse. And to make things better, we have to move forward, learn from it, whatever we have to learn from, whatever the results we are experiencing. And that's the only way. There's no other way. There's only one way. And I think so. Let's start using this substance according to for your want, or you want to create something, you want something, and whatever your business is. And so this is what Wallace D. Wallace talk about. So how you're going to use your substance, and just watch yourself, what's happening inside, how your thoughts are working, what are you manifesting as your thoughts. And to change that, you have to change your thoughts and your feelings. Feeling is everything, because we attract everything according to what we are vibrating, low or vibration. That's how we attract everything. So change that. You have to change your emotions and your thoughts and feelings. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. And this what I have learned, this what I'm studying every single day. It's not that you learned it and then you know it. Is every single day is having the awareness and applying it. And because the mind is very easy to shift, very easy to, uh, we have to keep that focus, and what we want or where we want that focus, and we have to practice it every single day. It's just like a child. We have to tell the child what to do, what not to do. Is the mind is like that. We have to guide it, we have to focus it, we have to um, and this is how the mind works. So hopefully you're going to start to use your substance, and according to what you want around your business, around your personal goals or professional goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please leave your comments. Your comments can help others. And when you ask questions, and of course I will try to answer them, and it can help others. And I think that's all for today. Your homework is today, how you're going to use your substance. It's not intellectually knowing it, is what's happening inside. Okay, your feelings as your emotions. That's how you attract everything. To change that, you have to change your emotions and your feelings. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.